Yes, you are.
No, I'm not talking. Do not take my phone. Are you upset? I'm not resisting.
Unlawful transit conduct arrest date, October 3, 2025, 4:52 p.m. Lesh, Pierce County, Washington. RCW 99125. Unlawful transit conduct agency. Pierce Transit, Pierce County Law Enforcement. At Legal Issues SX Amend. Fourth Amendment, First Amendment, 14C9A.
She refuses unlawful transit conduct here. Unlawful transit conduct. How's it going? Where's she at?
Right there in front. On the phone.
Yeah, you want to talk to this?
What happened?
So she got on my bus, she walked past.
Don't do no slandering me.
As you see, she's listening to everything I'm saying. I'm slandering her.
Okay, you just want her removed?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I showed him an all-day pass.
So what happened?
Oh,
She just walked by him.
Yep, I showed him an all-day
disruptive.
pass.
He just wants her
So
removed.
he's lying. That's why he's lying. Because I don't know why he wants me to remove. Okay, well you didn't let it. But did you actually tell everybody else to get on for free though? So that's a form of discrimination. So anyway, I'm on my way to work.
Hey, show of hands. Who wants this lady to leave the bus so you can get on?
Who? Show of hands.
Show of hands. Okay.
Yeah, well, actually, you got a body cam on because I showed
do.
my pass.
Yeah.
Okay. So
That was quite a bit of hands.
Okay, anyway, go check everybody for their pass.
That's not my job.
Okay, well, it should be his job. Thank you.
The bottom line is you gotta go.
Yeah, I'm doing mine.
Time to go.
Do you have that?
You gotta get off this bus.
Okay, anyway, don't have nothing to do with that. He lied on me to you guys, so you know.
Look at all the
that's
people you're
official
holding up
misconduct.
right now. They want to get
Okay,
moving.
anyway, I'm on my way to work. So what are you talking about? So we
two
can
options.
call you supervisor.
What?
Okay,
What am I-
supervisor. Who are
options.
you? Check everybody on this bus thing.
Not doing that.
Yep. Okay. Well, then ask again.
You got two options.
Official misconduct.
Yeah, you got two options.
Official misconduct. I'm just saying I'm not getting full enjoyment of services rendered. So let's make this a civil matter.
Okay.
I'm still moving forward. Thank you.
Okay. So
Check everybody on this bus right now.
two options. You're gonna leave the bus,
Check everybody on this bus right now.
or you're gonna get arrested for unlawful bus
Okay,
conduct.
so that's a lie. That's a Trump
It's not a lie.
charge. That's a Trump charge.
You have a pathway to leave. That's one of your
For what?
options. Or you're going to jail.
Okay, well, the supervisor's on the
you
phone.
leave or you go to jail. That's it.
So that's a threat.
It's not a threat.
Oh, it's a threat. So you're abusing your power of position or authority. Okay, well, he just lied to you guys. And your uniform is not clean. I'm not holding up anybody. I'm just saying. Just watch it.
Keep your hand out of the purse.
Anyway, what are you talking about? It's a pass. What are you talking
We're
about?
gonna tell you one more time.
Yeah.
We have
Body
two
cam on.
options. Body cam is on. Yep.
Okay.
See the red light?
So did anybody else pay? Did anybody else pay? You let anybody else on for free though, right?
Yes, I have the
Okay, again, form of discrimination.
Look, we don't want to do this.
Okay,
It's
so
Friday.
let's card. Okay, RCW 9.91010.
There's no such thing.
Yes, it is. Full enjoyment
No,
of
it's
service
not.
surrendered, and I'm not Rosa Parks. So two officers right now. Let me get a card.
You have to get off the bus
Let
first.
me get a card.
You have to get off the bus
Let
first.
me get a card.
Nope.
You'll get your card off the bus
Let me get a
so
card.
that these people can get on with their day.
These people, that's a racial remark.
It's not a racial remark.
Yes, it is. These people,
There's a whole
we
bunch
are
of
all
different people.
individuals. Check everybody. I'm just saying.
Okay. Again, you have
Okay,
two
your
options.
two options. We're gonna wait for your supervisor.
Two options.
Hello?
You either leave
Yes,
with
there's
us.
an officer. What? I don't see your name.
Morikawa.
Okay, Maury, whatever. What is it? DMORIKAKW and a
Agapov.
DAGAPOV. I would like his supervisors here because this driver just made a false statement of me.
No, he's the captain of the ship.
Okay, anyway, he's really not when I just caught all
He
this.
is.
So are you cleaning this up because you're a public servant or not?
Okay.
Don't
That's
do that because
okay.
I'm talking.
Then you're under arrest.
Okay, no, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No,
You're
I'm
under
not. 'Cause
arrest.
I'm talking. Do not take my phone.
You're gonna
Do
go to the
not take
ground.
my phone.
You're gonna go to the
Don't
ground.
take my
Don't
phone.
do that.
Don't take my phone.
Please don't do that.
Don't take my phone.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got my driver's
Put your
license.
hands behind your back right now.
Okay,
Stop
are you upset? I'm not resisting. I need to go home. I need to go home and you're taking my phone.
Okay, great.
Can you not do that? Thank you. I'm not fighting. You're lying.
Behind your back.
I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting, sir. Can I get my phone? Okay, I wanted to get off and I showed you my pass. But I showed you my pass. Don't do that. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting, sir. I'm not resisting. Can I get my phone, please?
Why'd you make me do that?
I did not. You
Oh my goodness.
Yes, it is. Do you know he lied?
Okay, everybody else, have a nice Friday.
Yep. Thank you.
Let's get up.
Get up.
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you for putting me in a
go,
hostile
get up.
situation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for putting me in a hostile situation.
We're going to grab your information real quick.
Yes, sir.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay? You're under arrest.
For what?
Unlawful
False
bus
statement.
conduct.
Oh, that's a lie.
Nope, not a lie.
Yes, it is, because I got on our board to let anybody know for free. I was talking to his supervisor, so again, a form of official misconduct on a false statement. And I didn't do nothing wrong. And then he let everybody get on the bus for
2-3
free.
negative. Everyone can downgrade.
Oh, but guess what? There's somebody on the bus and they got alcohol. Oh my gosh, you can check in. But thank you for being the predator behind the badge. And I was not harassing anybody, but check everybody because they got alcohol on the bus. Thank you.
So you look at me, here's my all-day pass.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Can you bring it to me so I can see it? Well, you don't have to see it, blah, 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 blah. You know, she went off. I'm like, ma'am, I need to see the expiration date and whatnot on there. And then she's like, you're harassing me. You've heard some of that.
Yeah.
You're harassing me. Y'all making me late. They said you're late. You know, just drive. And I said, ma'am, can you please come show me your pass?
Yeah.
I already showed it to you. You need glasses. All right, ma'am. Just step off there.
Yeah. And here we go.
And here we go.
Okay.
Just being disruptive. And
Check everybody in the bus. Thank you. Can you get your supervisor here? Can you get your supervisor here? Thank you. Because I didn't do nothing wrong. He made a false call.
Okay.
I can tell you what, I believe him a lot more than I believe
Okay,
you.
well then that's not okay. Because that would be, I don't know what's going on with you, but still, my age difference. Yeah, thank you for taking me to jail for no reason. I'm still pressing charges. I'm still pressing charges because he took me to jail for no reason. On a Friday, 2025, what time is it?
It is 4:52 p.m.
4:52 p.m. Thank you.
The bottom line.
The bottom line is that he made a false statement on me. And again, I did nothing wrong. So when I said official misconduct, again, I did not do nothing wrong. So no female came and searched me.
Have you ever flown on
again,
an airplane before?
You guys, again, yes I have. And you guys are not females. And so where's a female to search me?
We don't have a female officer.
Okay, anyway, you shouldn't have males because you're still predators behind the badge, regardless.
Are you done so I can explain to you?
Okay, anyway, a false call was made on me.
Are you done so I can explain to you what's going on?
Everything's back on my hand.
Are you done so I can make...
A false call was made on me and you made a false statement about me.
So...
Again, we're going to get a copy of on the bus and I'm still going to be a part of the civil duty.
Okay.
So thank you.
Still in place.
Where's your supervisor?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, where's your supervisor? Because again, you guys are still doing something wrong anyway.
Are you done so I can
Where's your
explain to you?
supervisor?
He's coming.
Okay, I'm waiting to speak to him.
Okay. So if you're not going to let us talk... Okay.
You didn't let everybody go.
I was going to explain to you,
I didn't do nothing
like
wrong.
a civil person,
I didn't do
why you
nothing
want to be
wrong.
arrested.
Okay, well you can lie all you want to.
Okay, nobody's lying.
Oh, let's go over here.
Yep, he made a false statement to me. So anyway, I called anyway, and I'm gonna always keep riding the bus. Thank you. And I'm gonna roll the bus.
Go on.
Okay. Is your body cam on?
Yep. Go ahead and move that way.
Thank you, because I didn't do nothing wrong. I can't wait to take this one.
We get here, we walk on. He's pretending talking to you on the phone.
She's been trying to talk to me. Yeah.
Oh, is it really?
This is my admin complaint.
Oh, okay. We say, oh, hey, you're holding everybody up. They want you off the bus. He's the captain of the ship. You need to leave. Nope, not leaving. Okay. Okay. You got two choices. Either leave the bus or you're going to get arrested for unlawful bus conduct. Finally, she's on the phone, supposedly with you. I've asked you multiple times to leave. You're refusing to leave. You're under arrest.
Okay.
And then the fight was on.
What did the driver say about you?
The driver called you guys because I was on the phone and he made some statement that I would refuse to get off the bus. But I had to actually stay on the bus because he did allow some people to get on with alcohol. The bus was unclean. So as I was on the call with Administrative for Pierce Transit, He still made a false statement.
What was the false statement? You still
Whatever
haven't
he
told me.
said to 911 about me.
So you don't know the statement that he made that's false?
Okay, well, what he said was that I had a pass, right?
Uh-huh.
Then he was demanding me to come up and show my pass, but as his boss says, I can sit down because he saw my pass from the window. He's not blind.
Did he ask you to show your pass to him, the bus driver?
I sat down and showed him the mirror and he could see my pass.
Right, but did he ask you to show him your pass?
He didn't ask nobody else, but he did.
I didn't ask if anybody else.
Okay,
I'm
but
just
again,
asking
he
you.
asked me to show the pass, but he wanted me to be flirtatious with him. I don't have time for that, so I sat down safely.
Okay. So
Because I observed everybody getting on the bus for free, and some people got on the bus with alcohol.
I don't think that they allow for free anymore, especially in a
Okay, well,
Pierce
that's
County
what
bus.
he did. You can go
Pierce County bus?
get the camera.
Yeah, they
get
don't-
the
they don't
camera.
let you
Yes,
do
he did.
Okay.
Get the camera. So he did that.
So my only understanding is that he asked you at some point to show your.
And I showed my
to show your-
pass, and he let everybody else get on for free. So he can pull those cameras up.
Okay.
So for him to take a vote, for everybody to say what? For me to get off?
Well,
that's discrimination.
we have to abide by what the.
Well, then what he
hear
should
me
have
out.
did
We
was
have to
ask
abide by what
everybody
the
else
driver
for a pass.
says.
Yeah, I'm just saying the driver lied to you guys, okay?
The driver asked
I'm
for you to be
pressing
removed. Is that
charges.
correct?
What?
The driver asked for you to
Yeah,
be
'cause
to
he
go off the
lied.
bus. Okay. That's where we have to come in. That's why
That's
we're
fine,
involved
but
in
he
this.
still lied.
Okay. And on that, like you talked to a supervisor about that.
I made a complaint
You said you were on the
about
phone
him.
for it?
Yep, I
Okay.
sure was.
Okay. Okay. Well, that's probably who to take it up with as far as like.
But I was arrested for no reason, so I'm still
We're
on press
arrested for what's
charges.
called unlawful bus conduct because
Okay,
you
but
didn't
I
get
was
off
still
when
arrested
asked.
for no what?
Unlawful bus conduct.
Okay,
so
but
you
that's
have
still
to.
that's still fake because he did not ask nobody else to show a pass. So keep on coming with fake statements. Thank you.
I didn't say anything about you
Okay,
or about
anyway,
anybody
well,
else.
check him.
Okay.
Because he called
Is there
911
anything
for
else
a
that you
false
needed from me?
statement. Do you have a body cam on?
I do.
Okay, so he made a false statement. So again, I didn't get full enjoyment of services rendered on my way to a doctor's appointment.
It's the driver that we have to
But
listen to.
okay, the driver made a false statement. So listen to him or not. He still made a false call.
Okay, well, you can take that up with their
That's
supervisor,
fine.
which
I'm
it sounds
still
like you already
doing
did,
official
right?
misconduct
Okay.
of this officer right here.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so I would continue that. If you already contacted
I
their.
want to make a report about him though, because he should have asked everybody for a pass. Everybody on there. That would have been fair. That's what public servants do.
That would be the fair enforcement
Okay,
officer's
anyway,
job.
I'm just saying, again, you're an officer,
So am I.
using your power of authority to get me off the bus because I'm a black female, that's still wrong of you.
Didn't you say that the bus driver was black as well?
That doesn't matter.
I don't understand how that's.
Okay, well, if you don't understand, it's one male against one female. It's still official misconduct. Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Sounds like you guys got
Oh,
everything
no,
you
I'm
need?
not talking about you because anyway,
Okay.
sober up, officer.
Not RCW 991025. Unlawful transit conducts. At elements required under RCW 991M251, refusal to present proof of fair payment upon lawful request by transit personnel. 2. And subsequent refusal to leave transit property when directed by a law enforcement officer. That the statute does not require physical disturbance. Refusal alone satisfies the offense. At Fourth Amendment and Elasticis U.S. At const. At amend. IV probable cause. A warrantless arrest requires probable cause. Where a subject presents evidence of lawful fair payment, a valid all-day transit pass, officers must weigh that evidence before concluding unlawful conduct has occurred. If the pass was valid, the probable cause basis under RC 991025 weakens substantially. This is the central unresolved legal question in this case. The First Amendment and Elasticis U.S. At const. At amend. I. Protected speech. At City of Houston v. Hill 482 U.S. 4 Fee 1, 1987. Officers may not arrest a person solely because that person argues with them, challenges their authority, or accuses them of misconduct. Verbal protest, even when persistent or confrontational, is constitutionally protected conduct under the First Amendment. Arrest based on speech alone is unlawful. At 14th, Amendment SNL isn't equal protection, selective enforcements. At the subject alleged the driver allowed other passengers to board without payment, while selectively demanding her compliance, raising an equal protection concern. Officers on scene confirmed the driver had allowed some passengers to board for free. This fact is directly material to the selective enforcement claim. However, selective enforcement claims require proof of 1. Discriminatory effect and 2. Discriminatory intent. Both elements must be established. A high evidentiary threshold. At Cis of Force Graham v. At Connor 490 U.S. At 386 1989. At force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. Relevant factors: subject's noncompliance, duration of refusal, active verbal confrontation. Takedown and handcuffing of an actively non-compliant subject falls within the lower range of the use of force continuum. No strikes, weapons, or extended holds are present in the footage. The force appears proportionate under Graham v. At Connor. At RCW 9A.72030 false or misleading report. At subject alleged the driver's 911 call constituted a knowingly false report, a potential violation of RCW 9A.723. Officers on scene had no authority to adjudicate competing accounts in real time. At legal lessons. Lesson 1. Force objects. Compliance with a lawful order is not admission of guilt. Refusal to leave transforms a civil grievance into a criminal charge under RCW 9911025. Exit first. At contest through proper legal channels after. Lesson 2 for officers. When a subject presents documentary evidence of fair payment, that evidence must be weighed before arrest. A failure to do so risks a Fourth Amendment challenge to probable cause. Transit agencies. Inconsistent fare enforcement by operators creates selective enforcement exposure for both the agency and responding law enforcement. Uniform written policy and training are essential. At case grades. At officers present under RCW 991-225. Multiple warnings given before arrest. Correct procedure. Show of hands crowd tactic. Tactically unsound, no legal prohibition, but counterproductive to de-escalation. At B- strong rights awareness. At verbal protest, constitutionally protected. At remaining on bus past lawful police order. Washington law provides no self-help transit enforcement remedy. Peer Transit Reverse C confirmed selective fare enforcement by on-scene officer. At calling police before exhausting internal resolution escalated a dispute that may have been administratively resolvable. Unknown at time of analysis. Any charges would appear in Pierce County District Court records. Stated intent to file civil complaint.